By the way, the rooms look big, but it's not big, you know.
The weather is really freezing.
Merhaba, merhaba, merhaba. An itibariyle Helsinki'deyim. Kahvemi içiyorum. Havalimanındayım. Henüz havalimanından çıkmadım çünkü Muhammed'le buluşacağız. Muhammed'le aynı şehirden, farklı havalimanlarından 3 saat arayla, farklı hava yollarıyla Helsinki'ye doğru hareket ettik. İlk ben hareket ettim. Bu sebeple onu bekliyorum. Kahvemi aldım. Güzel, biraz ağır, keskin, güzel. İnanılmaz yoğun birkaç aydan geçtim. İş olarak yani. Şu an çok yorgunum. 3 saat uykuyla uçağa bindim, indim. Uçakta hiç uyuyamadım. Kafamı hiçbir yere koyamadım. Hiç rahat edemedim. Keşke bir yastığım olsaydı dedim. Neyse, şimdi bundan sonrasında neler yapacağımızı Muhammed'le beraber anlatmak istiyorum. Çünkü bugün Helsinki'de olmayacağız. Birkaç saatimizi Helsinki'de geçirip trenle kuzeye doğru gidiyor olacağız. Nereye, nasıl, ne şekilde olduğunu ilerleyen dakikalarda sizinle paylaşıyor olurum.
2 hours later.
Evet, Muhammed geldi. Şimdi yanıma doğru gelecek. Ona kahve alması gerektiğini söyledim. Güzel olduğunu söyledim. O da bir kendine gelsin, sonra şehre geçelim. Yolumuza devam edelim. Geliyor. Hoş geldiniz, hoş geldiniz, hoş geldiniz.
Hello. I got my
Welcome,
coffee.
welcome.
Welcome back.
How was your trip?
I got so sleepy. I cannot say I slept, but I just got like 15 minutes, I guess, overall.
All the night he played games. I don't know why.
Yeah. What's the purpose of your visiting? Is it like coming here to buy land?
So we decided to take a taxi after this long trip, I would say, because I really got bored. And like any trip over 2 hours is like long trip for me. So yeah, taxi is a good solution sometimes.
Today also coming snow, but normal this time is you must a little bit is better.
Springtime. Yes.
Now it's bad.
Yeah.
Very bad.
Show it to me.
What is this? It shows on the camera is really big room, but it's really small.
No, it's going in. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Ta-da! Would
Something
you like
like
to
that.
rest in there? I would like to. I'm gonna rest.
By the way, the rooms look big, but it's not big, you know. Look at this.
Rovaniemi'ye gitmek için trene bindik. Wow. Wow. Odamıza yerleştik. Onları birazdan size gösteririz. Odamız sandığımızdan küçük ama ne kadar büyük olabilirdi ki bir trendeki oda diye de düşünüyorum. Ama bir yandan da güzel aslında. İçeri doğru ayaklarımız gidiyor. Boyumuzun sığacağını düşünüyorum ben. Aylardan Nisan olduğu için hava güzel. Saat 7.30 olmasına rağmen hala bayağı aydınlık. Güzel yani. Her yerde kar var. Keyifli. Çünkü İstanbul'da bu sene kar göremedik. O yüzden bizim için kar görmek önemli. Odamızdan çıktık. Yürüyelim. Bakın. Bisiklet koymak için bir alan. Aynı zamanda bavulları koymak için böyle bir oda var. Biz şimdilik odamızda yer bulduğumuz için odamıza koyduk. Sığamasaydık buraya getirirdik. Bir büfe, kafe bir şey bulduk burada. Güzel seçenekler var kahve içebileceğimiz, yarın kahvaltı için bir şey istersek ya da akşamleyin yemek yiyebileceğimiz. Güzel bir şeyler bulduk. Oturma alanları da var. Odaya tıkılmak zorunda değiliz. O konuda emin değildik çünkü. Acaba oturma yani imkanımız olacak mı diye. Arkada restoranın oturma alanları var. Daha geniş. Burada böyle dışarıyı izleyebiliyoruz. Gayet güzel.
So we made it to the central station and now we are taking the train. We are going to Rovaniemi and this is the train is overnight train and there's like sleeping compartment. So we booked with a shower and private toilet. This is the privilege that you can get. I will show you the room. We can speak also and continue from the room so you can see how big is the room is.
Cabin is for 2 person and cabin with a toilet costs 95 euros and without toilet 75 euros. And payment by payment card only.
So as you heard from the announcement, there is like available room with this, which is like private sleeping for 2 people. It's taking 2 people. I don't know. I didn't think like if there's a solo traveler, how he can take that. It's strange a bit. I don't know. So yeah, it will cost like 95 euro, and the payment is only by card. They are not accepting cash. And this is you need to put in your mind when you come here. Make sure you have like credit card or something like that. They are not using cash that much. The weather is amazing. It's cold and there is snow here. And earlier I spoke with the taxi driver. He said it's so strange. Another announcement. Hello. Tickets? Yes. Okay. This is one. Thank you very much. Thank you. As you can see, this is my ticket here. So there's a number, a cabin number you need to follow. Actually, when you come to the central station for this train, we booked to Rovaniemi, but do not follow Rovaniemi as a like final destination because it's not the final destination. Just follow the train number. Best way to search for your train is by the train number and the time. Just look for the time. It's 19:29 here. The train number IC or the trip number IC 265. So, and also it's showing you which compartment, which is 22, and upstairs it's written here, sleeper cabin 215, 216. Actually, if you want to send gift, you have the full address now. So, most important thing I want to say about this train, why overnight train? Overnight train, especially if you are like in the short visit here, so it's better than like spending a night in a hotel, like sleeping, so you're spending the night moving from city to another city. Spending a night in this train, it's a really lovely experience. I'm not sure if maybe you experienced that before or something like that. It's nice. I think we will spend a good night. And tomorrow morning it will be in Rovaniemi around 7:20 in the morning. We will take our breakfast in the city, and after that we will pick our car. We rented a car, so we will go all the way up. We can take a tour in the room, so you can show the room what you think. It's been a long time since last we uploaded a video, and we think it's a good opportunity to do a nice video about like Finland, which is not totally all Finland. There will be another videos related to Finland and what to experience here, and let's see what's Finland hiding for us. Yeah, you see this? This is 22, and this is us. We will go upstairs to the room now. Okay. So this is the key. You will find this room is open, and this the key is like different way. You push the key inside, and you open. Okay, we just put our stuff. This is the room. Safety belts. Why? For some time, you know, the hard brake or like when the train stops, you need to make sure this thing's on. You never know what's going on. Here I just put my things, and there's like small chair. I don't know if I can fit here. I cannot fit, you know. I don't know how I'm gonna sit here. Oh my god. You see, you can enjoy the view. The view is amazing. You know, constantly changing, you know. This is not like fixed view. It was here. So as you can see here, this is for your pet. You see, a new clean sheet or towel. And there's one water, and it was this water. It was here exactly. So I'm trying to recall how it was. Yeah, and there's a storage area here for your stuff. So this is nice, and also upstairs, as you can see, it's same. There's a storage area. Make sure to take the key off. Do not leave it out. And once you close, you have a mirror here. You can see. Check your stuff, check your hair before going out. But it's really nice. It's giving like, you know, extra space, the mirror, you know. Here's the toilet. The funny part or the magic, it's happening in this handle. There's a handle here. You take it down and you pull. And this is your shower, as you can see up there.
This is the shower head, and there's here like a shampoo. Let's see if I can fit inside for taking my shower. Yeah, a bit tall. I'm tall, but it's nice. And this is Soft Care Deluxe 2-in-1. That's what they want.
Good morning, this is Kimi, the last station before Rovaniemi. It's 6 a.m. Let's get ready. Wake up, Jenna. Wake up, it's 6 a.m. Good night. The weather is amazing outside and it's really cold. I can show you. Yeah, this is a lake. It's a frozen lake, totally frozen. Yeah, it was a nice night to have this experience. I really recommend everyone. Only one thing, if you're sensitive about your sleep, I don't recommend you that because it's shaky a lot and it's break in the station. Last 1 hour.
Hadi bakalım.
Good morning. We got the coffee. And, it's about to be 7.
I'm so happy that somehow we catch the winter.
We're about to arrive to our destination, Rovaniemi. And it's still winter here, so guys, yeah.
It's a refreshing weather. Those people, they're waiting for their cars, so their cars arrived. They didn't drive. They took the train, and now their cars is coming in the train, like container train or something like that. So they will take their cars and continue their trip or to go anywhere. The weather is really freezing. İşte onlar da biliyor musun? Arabalar böyle. Ben de anladım zaten. So this was our episode since we started moving from Turkey. The flight, after that the train, and
Now
we got some energy.
we are ready to our holiday, our trip. We will go and have a breakfast. Yeah, it will be a good start.
Okay, so don't forget to give like to this video if you didn't do yet, and subscribe to our channel. Hopefully we will continue this channel together, and of course your support is really important.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you very much, and wait for next episode.
See you guys.
See you, bye bye.